Hello beautiful people, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome so much to the Chevy's kitchen. Here we cook, learn, inspire and love. So today's video I want to show you people how to prepare yummy mandazis using pumpkin. How cool is that? I think it's my first time also trying this out. I've never used pumpkin on mandazis before, and I was like, why not try with my YouTube family? So I want us to try prepare mandazis using pumpkins. And if you're a new member here, feel much welcome. And if you've not subscribed, kindly hit that subscription button. And if you've not liked this video, kindly like this video and share with your friends so that they can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. On to our today's ingredients, we have, as usual, we have our sugar. We also have salt, and of course our baking powder, ajab. Okay, ajab, I've been using your product so much, and it's high time you sponsor these videos. So if you've been watching my videos, you realize how much I love ajab. And so today I'm going to use ajab, and of course not forgetting our cooking oil. It's fresh fried. And to our ingredients, our first time ingredient to use, our pumpkin. I'm praying that it's going to turn really good. This is the only ingredient I've never used before, and I know many of you have also not used this before. So first we are going to cut this pumpkin, boil it for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes I'll come and show you guys how to mix all the flour and the pumpkin. Guys, we are done cutting our pumpkin into smaller pieces. Now let's wash it and place on the fire. I love showing you people step by step on how I prepare my meals so that you cannot miss it on each and every step I show you people, because I want you to prepare yummy food for your family or for yourself or for your friends. So guys, from here we're going to prepare our mandasi dough. This is our pumpkin, boiled pumpkin. Before even we add in our ingredients, I'm going to grind them using this spoon. So after grinding them, I will add in our ingredients, starting from our ajab unga. You can see I've grinded it well. It's still very hot. From this point, I'm going to add in our ingredients, starting from our baking flour, our baking powder, use a small teaspoon, one teaspoon, sugar. For the sugar and salt, just put it to taste. So for me, I'm going to put 1. 2, remember pumpkin also has sugar. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Each 1. I'm going to put 1. And we are done putting our ingredients. So after this point, I'm going to add in, I love adding in cooking oil when I'm preparing my dough so that my mandazis will be soft. And now let's mix them all using our hand. So guys, our dough is ready. It's very soft. So I'm going at this point, I'm going to cover it with a foil for 10 minutes, then I'll come and roll it. After 10 minutes, we will come and roll it. So let's wait for 10 minutes, guys. So guys, 10 minutes are over and our dough is good. We're going to the next level of cutting and rolling our dough. See how soft it is. See how soft it is. Now let's cut our dough into smaller pieces and roll them before we dip it into the. So I've cut our dough into smaller pieces so that I can be able to roll them. You can see this size. So I have 5. Mafuta imekuwa expensive, I will be economical, so I think that's enough. So guys, it will preheat as I cut our dough into smaller pieces. You see the way our dough is very yellow. You see the way it's very yellow. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I want us to taste if our cooking oil has preheated well. So now let's. It has not. It's not. Just not. It's all preheated. So we can add some. I've cut very big mandazis because I don't like small mandazis. I want when you take 2 or 3 mandazis, you full. Our cooking oil has heated, so let's continue. You see the way my mandazis are very big. Wow. Everything is an experiment, especially with cooking. You will never know a recipe if you don't risk. And the risking helps you know many recipes. And that has been my secret in the Chobi's kitchen. Here we risk cooking any type of food. So when it turns out to be great, we take that as our recipe. Wow. Guys, I can't get over these mandazis. They are so good. Camera is not doing me any justice, guys. These mandazis are very yellow. Mandazis are the quickest, can I call it meal to prepare? Because after preparing that, you just cut them into your desired sizes, unlike chapatis. So guys, we are done preparing our mandazis. They have turned out to be really good. They are yellow in color, they are yummy, and one thing I'm promising you guys, you will never go wrong with a pumpkin. And I want you people to try out this recipe. I want you people to go and prepare these yummy mandazis at your homes. It's so good, they are so yummy. And remember guys, it was my first time preparing pumpkin chapatis. I was just taking my risk. I was just trying out new recipes, and I was like, why not try out with my YouTube family? And indeed, we've tried together. You've seen how it has turned out. I want you also back at home there, if you're watching this video, kindly try out this recipe. Thank you guys for watching this video. I don't take it for granted. May God bless you for me. If you've not subscribed to the Chebi's Kitchen and you've watched this video, kindly subscribe, kindly support our sisters, kindly support our mom to reach 1,000 subscribers. Guys, we are on our road to 1,000 subscribers, and kindly tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will really appreciate it. You will never go wrong with pumpkin, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I don't take it for granted. Bye, guys.